In this video, we'll show you 3 easy fixes for the Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file error in Windows 11. Sometimes you may have deleted or removed the file, or your file is corrupted. As a consequence, this will activate the Windows cannot access the specified device error. Regardless if you have accidentally deleted that file, or maybe you have lost it after a computer crash, these situations can be solved easily with professional third-party software. We recommend you Recuva, a smart solution that allows recovering your deleted files fast and easily. Use it to recover your missing files from a Windows computer, digital camera card, recycle bin, or even an MP3 player. If you have lost music, pictures, documents, emails, videos, or any other files, Recuva is the solution. It will help you to recover all of these files. It is a flexible solution that will help you recover files from rewritable media, such as USB sticks, memory cards, or external hard drives. Press the Windows key +X and select the Task Manager option. Now, click the Startup tab at the top. Finally, right-click the antivirus software and select the Disable option. Right-click the antivirus icon on your taskbar and select the Disable option. Right-click the faulty file and select the Properties option. Click the General tab at the top. Now, check the path before the Location option to know the file's location. Finally, copy this file path and paste it into the Windows Explorer search box. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.